Hey everyone, welcome back to Automobiles, your go-to channel for the latest reviews and updates from the world of vehicles. Today, we're diving into something really special, the 2025 GMC Vintage Truck. This model is a perfect blend of classic styling and modern technology, and trust me, it's going to impress you in more ways than one. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 GMC Vintage Truck pays a beautiful tribute to the trucks of the 60s and 70s. It features bold lines, a square body design, and chrome accents that scream old-school charm. The front grille is massive, standing proud with the signature GMC logo, surrounded by a heavy-duty chrome frame. The round LED headlights give a modern touch while still staying true to the vintage feel. Around the sides, you'll notice the flared wheel arches and a strong shoulder line that gives the truck a muscular appearance. The bed is wide and deep, perfect for heavy-duty work or just showing off at a car meet. The 20-inch alloy wheels, styled with a retro design, perfectly match the classic look. Color options for the vintage include bold choices like fire red, midnight black, and glacier white, giving buyers a lot of ways to express their style. Moving to the interior, GMC has done a fantastic job balancing nostalgia with comfort. Inside, you get leather seats with contrast stitching, and the dashboard is a mix of brushed aluminum and soft touch materials. The steering wheel is large, vintage-inspired, and feels solid in your hands. Though it keeps a simple design, the 2025 Vintage Truck is packed with tech, a 12-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, digital gauges that can be customized, and even heated and ventilated seats. Space is generous, with enough room for both the driver and passengers to travel comfortably, whether it's a quick trip across town or a long road adventure. When it comes to price, the 2025 GMC Vintage Truck starts at around $55,000 for the base model. Higher trims with added luxury features and performance packages can push the price closer to $70,000. Considering the craftsmanship, the unique styling, and the modern features included, the price feels quite justified. GMC is clearly targeting enthusiasts who want a truck that stands out without sacrificing the latest in comfort and tech. Performance-wise, the 2025 Vintage Truck does not disappoint. Under the hood, you get a 6.2-liter V8 engine delivering a solid 420 horsepower and 460 lb-ft of torque. The truck feels powerful and smooth on the road, and it's more than capable when it comes to towing and hauling. The suspension has been tuned for both strength and comfort, making it surprisingly good for daily driving. It's got a 10-speed, automatic transmission that shifts seamlessly, and thanks to advanced driving modes, you can easily switch between eco, sport, and tow haul settings. Fuel economy is decent for a full-size truck with this much power, averaging around 17 miles per gallon combined. That's a quick look at the 2025 GMC Vintage Truck. It's a beautiful reminder of the past with all the comforts and power of today. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed this review. And don't forget to subscribe to Automobiles for more exciting vehicle updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.